Hi, this is Jeff from J&J Mobile Media, and today I'm feeling a little nostalgic, feeling a little appreciative, and it's because today is the 7-year anniversary of our business. So today marks 7 years. It's kind of crazy to think about it because, when you're working day in and day out in your business, you don't really take the time to sit here and think about how long you've been doing it. Well, I mean, maybe you do, but I really don't, and to sit back and think that we've been doing this for 7 years, it's just really cool. I feel really appreciative and thankful that, the work that we've been doing continues to improve and continues to benefit the local businesses that we work with. So normally I'm sharing, how-tos and, trying to provide value and give you guys tips of how you can, leverage digital marketing in your businesses. But today I thought maybe I'd change it up and maybe just talk a little bit about our story and, in case maybe you're interested in hearing about it, hearing how we got started. Maybe it'll inspire you to start your own business, or, maybe you are another business owner, and it's just sometimes it's kind of cool to hear how other business owners like yourselves, bootstrap themselves and built their business from the ground up. So let's go into it. So our business, we started back in 2013, and it all started whenever I was playing in a local rock band, and we were looking for new ways to promote our music and get more people to the shows. And I said, hey, let's build an app, right? Everybody loves apps. Who doesn't love an app? And at that point, apps were really hot. And so I said, okay, yeah, do it. And, go for it, Jeff, good luck with that. And so I did. And so I created an app, and it was really basic, but it was really cool because you could get information about the shows. It would open up your Maps app on your phone and give you GPS directions to the show. And it would also have our music on there. And, I think you could like it like thumbs up or thumbs down or something. And so we could, get an idea of how our music was going. But anyways, it was a basic app, but what it actually, and you could send you could send push notifications too. And so we could send out alerts, letting people know about new shows and stuff like that. So it was really cool. And we didn't know what would happen. We just thought, hey, let's try it. And so we launched it, and it worked really great. It really did a good job of communicating to our fans, to the fans. I say the fans like we're some big band, but we had a good local following, and so it really worked, really. And so it got me thinking, hey, like maybe we could try this and see how it would work for businesses. And so turns out that was opened up a whole world of digital marketing to me that I didn't even know existed until I looked into it. And so we jumped through all the necessary hoops, got our business started, and joined up with the Chamber of Commerce, the Tulare and Kings County Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, et cetera. And started working our way around the local community, telling them about what we do. And it was really cool because at that time, apps were so trendy and so cutting edge that our business, it really, like, the initial growth of our business happened really, really fast, way faster than what I don't even know what I expected, really, to be honest. But it happened so fast that it was like, oh, wow, like, okay, here we go. This is really going to happen. And so I worked my business plus my other job at Costco. I worked at Costco at the time I launched my business. I worked both jobs, my business and Costco. I would work my business until noon, from the time I'd get up in the morning till noon, and then I would go from 1 to at night to work my job that paid the bills. And so anyways, I did that for a year. So that was a really long year, but it really paid off because it allowed me to get to the point to where I could leave Costco and go work my business full time and continue to grow. And after 3 years, of serving the community, the local community with digital marketing, we actually were nominated for Small Business of the Year by the Tulare Kings County and Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, and we won. And I still have that award, and it's right here. I love it. I'm really, really proud of this thing. It might not seem like a big deal. It's like, oh, okay, Jeff, you won an award, congratulations. But it meant so much more than just having this thing on. Like, I'm not the type of person that like brags and stuff, and that's not what this is about. But this is just going to show you that, like, I worked my business for 3 years, and we built such a good reputation for our business of providing quality work, top-notch customer service. I mean, all my clients are like my friends, you know. So it just really gave me purpose and made me realize, hey, this is what I was meant to do. I was meant to do this work for the local community. And so, we pushed on, and after we won the award, it was like, okay, great. We won an award. We got some really good forward momentum in our business now. And, how do we capitalize on that? So we thought it would be a good time to expand. And, the obvious choice in my mind was the Central Coast. We've always, Central Coast and Central Valley, it's always, for me, it's always been kind of like, we're all one big family. And so I thought, well, let's go over there and let's try that out for a while. And we stayed there for a little over 4 years, working the area, continuing the work. And we had great success out there as well. But something just kept calling us back to the Valley. I was born and raised in Visalia. My wife, Jennifer, the other J, she was born and raised in Tulare. And so we just decided, hey, let's go back to where we began, where it all started, and continue the work and, just continue to grow as a business and in the community and continue to help and do what we do. And so it's been 7 long years. It's been 7 long years. It has been, it does seem like every bit of 7 years, but at the same time, it's been a really awesome ride. And we've met some amazing entrepreneurs and business owners along the way. And I couldn't be more thankful and grateful for the opportunities that we've been blessed with. And, it didn't all happen by accident. I mean, we have put in tons of hard work. We've done the work, you know what I mean? And so I'm really proud of everything that we've been able to achieve up until this point in our business. And I look forward to everything that we will achieve in the future. I really, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank all of our clients. I love our clients. Our clients are so awesome. They're such great people, so fun to work with, so easy to work with, and such smart business owners. I feel another reason why I feel really lucky to do what I do is because I'm working directly with business owners, and you learn so much. Like, I never presumed to know everything, or especially in business. I mean, this is the first business I've ever had, and so there's everything to learn when it comes to running a business, right? And so working directly with business owners, you learn so much. And so on that front, like, I'm also really blessed because a lot of that knowledge I've been able to take and utilize myself and improve and just continue to go forward with what we're doing. So to our clients, thank you so much for 7 wonderful years. And to all the people that have supported us throughout our journey, friends, family, you guys are awesome. And it might be sounding kind of cliche, but it's true. We could not have achieved what we did and gotten where we're at today without you. So thank you so much for 7 great years, and cheers to another 7 more.